Officer Sam, reporting for duty, says.
In Riverside City, one little boy's dream is about to come true.
5 more minutes. I'm catching bad guys in my dream. Someday, this badge is gonna be real great, and I'll be the best cop in the city.
Hi friends, today we are learning English with the real police officer story. New words, big adventures, let's go!
Good morning, buddy. Pancakes are ready, hat. Fuel for future heroes.
Sam, police officers need a good breakfast. Eat up, sweetheart.
Sam, you can't even tie your shoes. How are you gonna catch bad guys? I practiced tying my shoes 7 times yesterday. S-E-Viva-N. Hazel?
Even Buddy believes in you, son. That's good enough for me.
Oh, goodness. Buddy, calm down. Who could that be so early?
Special delivery for Mr. Sam, and trust me, folks, this one is a B-I-G deal.
2 new words right now. Select it and deliver. Got it. Great. Back to Sam.
That has my name on it. Oh my gosh, is it from the president?
Even better than the president, young man. Go ahead and open it.
Oh, come on, Sam. Rip it faster. I can't take the suspense. Dear Sam, you have been selected as Junior Police Officer, gradationally in volume and...
Riverside City Police Department, Brian.
This is R-E-L. Sam, this is actually R-E-E-L.
Oh, my baby. I am so proud of you. You're gonna be amazing. Okay, fine.
That's actually really cool, Sam. Like, really, really cool. Whoa! A real uniform! A real badge! This is the best day ever!
Buddy. Easy, boy. Let the future officer breathe.
I'm gonna make this city proud. Just wait and see, Riverside City. Rise and shine! A police officer is never late for duty.
Looking good, Officer Sam. Looking real good.
Button 1, button 2, button 3. A good officer always looks sharp. Officer Sam reporting for duty. Riverside City Kane, here I come.
Quick one friends. Uniform and discipline. Remember those? They matter. Let's go.
Look at my officer. Breakfast first, play. You need energy for a big day.
Sam, listen. A great officer is honest, brave, and always kind. Remember that.
Wait, you actually look like a REL police officer. Okay, I'm impressed. Dad, there's a REL police car outside our house. This is actually happening.
Good morning, Officer Sam. I'm Officer Rosa. Ready to serve the city?
Yes, ma'am. Officer Sam, reporting for duty, says 100% ready. Whoa. The whole city looks different from a police car. It looks so B.I.G.
Every officer feels that way their first day, Sam. The city is counting on us.
Wow.
Hot as Lydrad. It's even bigger than it looks on TV. This place is so awesome.
Welcome, Officer Sam. I'm Jackson. This station is YORR station today.
Everyone here looks so serious and so cool. I want to be just like them.
A police officer's job is to protect, serve, and keep every citizen safe.
We patrol these areas every day, Raktari. Parks, streets, schools, and neighborhoods.
Only in emergencies, Sam. A good officer stays calm, Marty, not flashy.
Do we get to use the siren today? Please say yes down. Please, please, PLEEs.
Every piece of equipment has a purpose. A prepared officer knows them all.
Stop right there. Equipment and petrol. Boom. Towards learn. Keep watching.
So this is what patrolling feels like. I feel like a superhero up in here.
Sam, watch this for Stay. Helping citizens is our #1 priority every day.
Oh my, what a fine young officer. You are just precious, dear.
Officer Rosa, I helped my first citizen. Did you see that? Did you see that?
Rosa, we've got a broken signal at 5th and Main. Handle it.
Eyes open, Sam. Traffic control keeps people safe and moving. Watch me.
Stop. Now go. Stop. And go. Hey, Fur! They're listening to me. It's working.
Outstanding work, Officer Sam. You just handled your first traffic call.
All units, robbery in progress at Pete's Grocery on Elm Street.
The siren! Ah! We're using the siren! This is real. This is actually happening.
There's our suspect, Sly. He's heading toward the alley. Move fast! Nobody's gonna catch Sly. I'm too fast, too sneaky, too clever. Stop right there, Sly. There is nowhere left to run. It's over. Wait, Tad, is that a L Idol kid in a police uniform? You gotta be kidding me.
Sir, I suggest you stop right now. You are completely surrounded. Give up!
Nice work, Officer Sam. You held your ground like a true police officer.
I actually helped catch a real thief. Mom is NOT going to believe this.
Wow, okay, fast words. Suspect and courage. That's Sam right there. Back to the story.
Patrolling the park keeps kids safe while they play. It's important work, Sam.
Central, we have an emergency down here by the big oak tree. Send units right away. It looks serious. I'm Lily. I can't find my mommy. I'm really scared. Officer Rosa, I found a lost girl named Lily, requesting help at the oak tree.
Lily. Oh, thank God, my baby. Thank you, thank you.
You're my favorite police officer ever. You're better than a superhero. That felt better than catching Sly. Way better. I really helped someone.
Sam, police officers help everyone bad, especially those who need it most.
I didn't know police officers did this too. This is really important work.
God bless you, young officer. You have a very kind heart.
Being a police officer isn't just about action. It's about caring too.
Right?
Now you're thinking like a REEL officer, Sam. I'm proud of you, son.
Last mission today, Sam. Remple, keeping this parade safe for everyone in the city.
People are waving at Emmy. An actual crowd is cheering for me. This is incredible!
Sam, stay calm. We handle this professionally, Tam. No panicking, ever.
Officer Rosa Plian. He's behind the blue float. I can see him hiding.
Officer Sam plan for bravery, kindness, and outstanding service today.
You earned this, Sam. Every single part of it. We're proud of you.
I promise, Nye. One day I'll be back here for our eel. This is my dream, and I mean it.
Last words, friends. Make them count. Compassion and achieve. Now go be a hero. Back to Sam.
There's my hero! The whole neighborhood is talking about you, Officer Sam.
I watched you on the news, baby. You were on the Asexual News today.
A real officer protects, serves, and cares. And someday, that'll be me.
Did you enjoy today's story? Hit that like button right now, Roarwart. Go on, I'll wait.
Want more English learning adventures? Subscribe to this channel today.
Drop a comment below on Tanya's What Job Do YOU Dream About? Tell us everything.
Share this video with a friend who wants to learn English. Share the love.
Remember, friends, stay brave, stay kind, and any verse stop learning. See you next time.